I think talented people want accountability, and sometimes they can't even explain that that's what they want, right? They don't come right out and say like, hold me accountable, because some people just don't know until they realize coaching is accountability, and no one succeeds without accountability. And look at the most successful people in the world, and was somebody holding them accountable? Yes, at 100% they were. I don't know what it is about our industry where a solo agent comes in thinking they must and they should do it by themselves, and joining a team or even starting a team is like this weak thought. I just sat in an interview where that was the process, the thought process, and I've heard that multiple times interviewing people. Like, well, I really wanted to do it on my own. You know, I just really feel like if I joined a team, I'm checking out. This particular interview said to me, well, I feel like I'm taking the easy way out. And I said, well, I would beg to differ, because I can guarantee if you walked the shoes of an agent on my team for one day versus perhaps, and I'm not saying you in particular agent, but perhaps any other solo agent in this building, I would say my guys are working probably harder because they're expected to. There's accountability. They have things they must check off their list every day. Who's holding you accountable? Yeah. Well, I do have a coach. Okay, awesome. That's fantastic. So what does your coach require of you, or what do you require your coach request from you? What? You know, one of those, like, well, we just chat. You know, they teach me some things, and if I choose to implement it, cool. If I don't, sad face. So I'm like, well, if they don't hear, you're on a performance improvement plan. And then the next step is you're no longer on the team. Yeah. So I'd say my guys are probably working harder. Yeah. They have to, right? So she was, that was interesting. She was like, never thought of it that way. And that's something for me as a talented person. Not that I'm a talented person. I didn't mean that. I'm not talented. I just meant talented people. I was like, wait, what do you say? What am I saying?